You feel a tickle, so you pinch your nose and swallow the sneeze. Try doing that for a full year. By month 3, the trapped air pressure reaches a staggering 150 psi, microfractures, spiderweb across your skull, and your eye sockets begin to violently bulge. At month 6, your internal pressure rivals a deep-sea submarine. Your eardrums completely shatter, and your body violently shakes as the trapped kinetic energy begs for a way out. Finally, day 365, the structural integrity fails. Your head detonates like a frag grenade, vaporizing your upper half in a supersonic shockwave of snot and sorrow. At this point, you need a heavy-duty broom and dustpan exactly as much as I need subscribers.